have to get in it, but you can help me get the hood back on.
Okay, boss. So you can multitask? Anyway,
Sometimes.
well, we'll try. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you haven't seen the video on this Grand National, I will put the link in the description below, and you can go back and watch the video to where this car was being put back together from where we were at a previous race where he wrecked. So with that being said, go back and watch that video. Like I said, you'll see the kind of the rebuild of everything that was changed. So now it's kind of a, would you say, re-debut?
I guess I won't be on. It's going to take me a minute before I get full tilt with it again. It weighs a lot less. I'm going to be doing something different, be using second gear leave. Trying to avoid a wheelie is the goal.
Yeah.
I'm sure it will still ride some of a wheelie. I have a boost turned down quite a bit. It'll take me a minute to get all the
basically,
you know,
yeah, just get back to rhythm.
the nerves out.
What's it been, 2-3 months? Has it been 2 months?
Since June.
Since June, July, August, yeah, about almost 3 months. So
It's got a different, same rear end housing, different rear end mode, different rear brakes, lighter overall, lighter in the front end. It's really about a perfect mow prep car, the way the weight's distributed now.
yeah, so we're gonna get you down here in a few minutes, get you ready to, like I said, get back in the groove of things.
All the people are saying, you know, it being a pro mod now because of the fiberglass front end. My defense, I already had that.
Yeah, you
I
actually
wasn't
did.
going to put it on, but then I wrecked. But I mean, it's a street legal car. It's got headlights.
Where's the turn signals? They just ain't been put in yet.
Yeah, they're not in yet. I have to cut out for those. Those are in my shop though.
Yeah. Got that hood on yet? Y'all racing here? Is this a race? Which side gets done first?
I mean, I've got the screwdriver, so I guess I'll be first.
What's
What
it say?
is it, the Ricky
If you ain't first, you last. However that word Ricky Bobby
Yeah, I
says
think
that.
That's what Ricky Bobby says. Right.
If you ain't first,
Evidently I'm last a lot, so. I was the last one, the last race to hit the wall.
what? Well, yeah, that's
Technically,
yeah. That's why all the change on the car here. But anyway, we'll be good. If you hear that in the background, Grand National didn't come alone. So we got two here we're going to test. National didn't come alone. The other F-body you just seen. Now this F-body here we tuned, Robbie tuned a couple weeks ago. This is a nitrous F-body. He showed up, wants to make a couple passes too, so we'll see how he does. Okay, you got 2 passes in, and
Not
found a little.
happy yet. But my own stupidity, I'm grounding out the power and making the car cut out. So first pass, 867 at 114. Still on 20 something pounds. Pretty well turtle out of the hole.
Yeah.
Still trying to learn second gear leaf.
And like I said, it's got a little electrical gremlin, so to say. Found what it was and kind of, I guess you say, patched it, or, you know, hopefully.
Shoved a couple water bottles in it.
Yeah. Something touching where it's not supposed to be.
Till I fix it.
Yeah.
Correctly.
I mean, you crawled in there and seen exactly what it was. It's just something that just, not like you'd miss it on purpose or leave it or anything, obviously, but it's just, like I said, it's been 3 months. You know you're gonna have some stuff you gotta find and fix.
I was nervous first pass. I won't lie there. I'm fine now.
Okay. We'll get you back. Are you gonna try second gear leave this time, or are you
I'm
going?
still trying that.
Okay.
I'm not trying to drag the rear bumper.
All right, let's get you going. Well, as you can see there, for his first passes after a wreck and rebuilding the car, basically, was trying some second gear leave, and after talking to him and seeing how he felt about it, he felt like he needs to go back to first gear. And I'll also, in the description, put the link of the rebuild of his car right here. And I can completely understand him being nervous on his first passes after something that, in a situation he got in with a wreck. And as far as the Black F body, I know he was had a new transmission put in, so he was testing that and, you know, making sure the shift points and everything was where he wanted it to be. But overall, the car run pretty daggone good for him. It run what he wanted to see. So the other F body, which was on nitrous, he made a couple passes, and his O2 started giving him some issues and reading funny in a tune. So basically, I think it went out on him right there. And of course, situation like that, you don't want to keep running it not knowing for sure what it's doing there. But that's just the rundown of how the night went for those guys, and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.